Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In this video, I want to discuss one of the gate question which came in the year 2017. First, let me read out the question, then I will discuss the solution with you. Consider the K-map. They have given a K-map where X represents don't care conditions and blank represents 0. So we have ones which are the min terms, blanks are zeros, they are max terms, and X are the don't care conditions. Assume all inputs, the respective complements is also available. Is it clear? If you have A complement is also available. The logic, the above logic, whatever the logic we have taken, is implemented using two input NOR gate. Okay? Then the minimum number of gates are required. They have given option A as 1, option B as 2, option C as 3, option D as 4. So they are asking, if you simplify this expression, how many gates are required which are NOR gates only. They are simply saying that they are using only NOR gates. Okay. Now first we will simplify this using the K-map. Now if you see that we have one here, you have a don't care and 1. So now can I join these 4 ones? You can say that only 3 ones are there, but don't care, I can consider it as a 1 or 0. If it is useful for me, I will consider it as a 1. So I can join these 4 to make it as a one subgroup. Are you able to understand it or not? Why I am able to join? Because they are adjacent. You can ask me, sir, it is here, how they are adjacent? When I can say that the two cells are adjacent, if it is varied by only single bit. If you want to verify, you can verify. What is this bit position? 0, 0, 0, 1. And what is this position? 1, 0, 0, 0. How many bits are varied? Is it clear? Are you able to? Not. 1, 0, 0, 1. Are you able to understand? This bit I am checking. 1, 0, 0, 1. How many bits are varied? Only this bit is varied. So they are adjacent. Is it clear? Even it is here, but still they are adjacent. The adjacent here meaning is that only they should differ by one single bit. Okay? Now if I join this 4 as one group, then what will be the expression I will get it? Here if you see that, first we will take the column. Here 1, 0 is there, 0, 0 is there, 0 is common. Okay? And at the row side, you have 0, 1 and 1, 1. 1 is common. So if it is 0 is common, what it is? BA. So A is common. So A complement because it is 0. Are you able to understand? And here it is 1, so which is C. So you are getting A complement C as the minimal term from this K-map. Are you able to understand? They have given this K-map. If I simplified it, I got this one. But can I implement this one using NOR gate? Maybe it looks that you cannot do it, but if I can make it with the help of a NOR gate, we will see it. Can I use it or NOR gate? Means can I convert into a NOR? If I want to make it into NOR, first it should have the OR. But however it is having the AND. So what I will do is that A complement C whole complement. Whether it is equal to A complement C or not. Now let's take it. You have A complement is equal to A or not. If you have a doubt, you can verify. A complement will be A complement. Again for A complement, you are computing the complement which is equal to A only. So if I write the doubles complement, it is not a problem. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? Now let me apply the De Morgan's law. A complement and C can be written as A complement or C complement. On top of that you have another complement which will be equal to A or C complement whole complement. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? This is equal to what? This is R On complement, this is equal to NOR. Are you able to understand it or not? This is equal to a NOR gate. Meaning is that using a single NOR gate, but they are saying that only NOR gates are only there. That to two inputs. We have only two inputs. And even they said for the input actual C, for all the inputs, the respective complement is also available. So you can connect the A and you can connect the C complement to the OR gate. So with one NOR gate, we can do it. So then they are asking the number of NOR gates are required, which is only one NOR gate is sufficient to construct this expression. I hope you have understood. Is it clear? If you still have any doubts related to this question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to solve your questions in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.